Hi, now we are going to see two more options in grep. That is how to use the -n and -v. We want to show the line number while displaying the output using grep -n to show the line number of the file with the line matched. Here I'm having one file. Here I am having one file test. It contains 3 lines and it contains the word line X in the second line and one more in the third line. Okay, then we will see how the grep -n is working. See here it contains around 4 lines. First one is blank line, I think. Second one is welcome to study session. Third is this is my first line of section. So it shows the third and fourth line. The number where it is getting displayed. If you are not able to see, I will highlight now. I think you are able to see now 3 and 4. Likewise, that grep-n will display that line along with the line number. If we want to display the lines that are not matched, that means inverting the pattern match. Normally what we will do, what the grep will do, it will display the line that contains the pattern match. Here we are going to see how it will going to display the lines that are not matched with the specified string pattern. That means if the line contains the line X, the reverse will be there. It won't display that line. So here around 3 lines are there. 2 lines contains the word line X. So it will display only the welcome to study session. Then we will check now. See here it is not displaying the lines that contain the word line X. It display reverse. That means it is now displaying the line that is not matching that search pattern. Okay, this is the way you have to use the grep-n and grep-v. That we will see some more options in the next video. Thanks.